2021. When will NTA announce new exam dates? Important update medical aspirants should know. Hi viewers, I am Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. NEET 2021 exam date. Those appearing for the exam are advised to keep an eye on the official site, that is neet.ac.in, for the latest updates. NEET 2021 exam date, the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, is expected to announce the new schedule for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is NEET, next week. Though nothing has been confirmed, speculations are reached that the exam conducting body, along with the schedule, will also announce the online registration process, which usually commences 60 days ahead of the entrance test. As per the reports, a final decision will be taken after the new Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's meeting with the concerned authorities. Here are the latest 5 updates regarding NEET UG exam 2021. Stakeholder are being constructed. The National Testing Agency has recently said that it is in still consultation with the concerned stakeholder to decide on a suitable date for holding the NEET UG 2021 in the view of ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. As of now, we are consulting all the stakeholders involved, including the National Medical Commission. We understand that there is a lot of anxiety and concern among the students as the registration for the examinations are yet to begin. But we need to strike a balance between the safety of the candidates and academic calendars of the medical colleges. Second update, matter to be discussed with the Pradhan. If reports are to be believed, the matter will also be discussed with the newly inducted Education and Health Ministers Dharmendra Pradhan and Mansukh Mandavia in the upcoming days, after which the students can expect final NEET UG 2021 exam dates. Third, exams most likely to be held in September. Reports have claimed that the earlier decided date of August 1st for the medical entrance examination will be changed and the crucial exams are likely to be postponed till September 2021. Those appearing for the exams are advised to keep an eye on the official site neet.ac.in for the latest updates. I repeat, for the official site neet.ac.in. Also, last year as well, the NEET UG 2020, in the view of the hardships faced by the parents and the students due to COVID-19 epidemic, was postponed and conducted in September. Fourth, students demanding postponement till October. Meanwhile, the chorus for the deferment of examinations grew louder, with the medical aspirants urging the NTA and the Education Minister to defer the entrance test till October. So, this is to let you know that the fake circular went viral on social media. Earlier on July 6, a fake notice claiming that the NEET exams will begin from September 5 went viral on social media. Later, the NTA issued a clarification saying that all medical aspirants are advised to that. As of now, that NTA has not released any of the notification or announced NEET 2021 exam dates. The NTA also advised to be patient and only refer to the NTA website for information about NEET 2021 exam. So this was the latest update for the NEET 2021 exam dates. I kindly request all the aspirants to check the official website neet.ac.in for the latest updates. Keep watching Such News Network.